Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today we're going to be making Japanese style curry rice. This was actually the first non-Korean food that I tasted when I was a child, and I was really blown over by its complex taste. So I actually learned to make Japanese curry rice from a friend in Tokyo, and she adds fresh apples, which add flavor and depth to the curry. So let's get started. Cut the chicken tenders into bite-sized pieces. Pre-season with salt, pepper, and olive oil. Mix well and set it aside. If you're a vegetarian, you can replace chicken with firm tofu and pre-season the tofu the same way. Cut vegetables into cube shapes. I like to trim the sharp edges to prevent them from breaking apart. I think that it also makes them look good. We have a saying in Korea, something that looks good also tastes good. And I agree that you first eat with your eyes, then with your nose, and then finally with your mouth. In a heated pot, saute the chicken first. You don't need any oil since the chicken has been marinated in olive oil already. When the chicken is browned on both sides, add the potatoes and carrots at this time. Add the vegetables that take longer to cook first. Saute until they turn color and then add some butter. Now you can add all your other vegetables such as king oyster mushrooms, zucchinis, and onions at this time. You can also use whatever vegetables you have in the refrigerator. I always think that celeries, broccolis, and cauliflowers also make wonderful additions. Add the water until it just covers all the ingredients. When it boils, start to dissolve the curry sauce. I usually use a strainer to make sure that I don't have any lumpy curry sauce left behind. You really have to make sure that curry is well dissolved into the sauce. Cook for a few minutes before adding the apples and the peas. Apples will provide natural sweetness to the sauce and extra crunchiness to the texture. It looks really beautiful, doesn't it? Cover and cook for 15 minutes until the sauce is thickened. Remember that curry sauce always tastes better after a day or two. So make a lot all at once, and you can keep them in the freezer for later use as well. You usually serve curry sauce over white rice, but I'm using multigrain rice here in order to reduce my cholesterol. You can also use the sauce over noodles or pasta. It makes a wonderful curry udon for the family. It's really nice and tasty, and it still has the nice crunchiness of all the vegetables and the apple. And as my husband always says, very good.